I can help you. I spent a lot of time with this I don't have that money.
Alhaji, what about the loan from the bank? Alhaji, I'm sure with your personality, they will give you the loan.
EFCC, I'm on my neck.
Okay,
Yes. Well, I'm looking for a lot of money to pay them off so that I can be free. I wish I can help you. If I had money, I would have given it to you. By the way, what do you need that kind of money for? That is sum of money.
Well, it's nothing. It's just that we want to repair the property.
Papa, Angel, you have property. I wish I can promise.
Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
I'll find it.
Angel and trouble. Wallahi.
Girls, we really need to do something about this. Yes, the money is too much, but we stand a chance of. But what we stand to get is way bigger. We need to do something about this. I don't know how to just get this money. We need to get this money anyhow, anywhere. We just need to get this money.
Yes, we have to.
Perhaps sell our lands, cars, even this house.
Eh? Really?
Oh yes.
This house?
Listen, girls. We need to get this contract. We need bigger money to achieve our dreams. And the principle of wealth is to use money to make more money. So,
oh my gosh.
Girls, if we succeed in this, we are going to be billionaires. Come on, girls.
Okay, fine. Come on, angels. We need to do something. Yes, we have this at our palms. Let's not let it slip away our fingers. What do you think? Yes.
How do we get 1 billion naira?
Exactly my point. It's not 1 billion. Let's start with your land.
Well, madam, you can probably sell the house. That will bring in bigger projects in the future.
Sell the house or loan it?
Whichever. Sell, loan, it doesn't matter. For as long as you can guarantee juicier contracts in the future, before you know it, there will be more deals coming through.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know how other girls will see this idea.
Madam, I'm sure they will understand. You know, if you move into a less cheaper place, something not as expensive as this, like a bungalow, should be okay.
A bungalow? I know you're joking, right?
No, madam, I'm not joking. They will understand. It's just in the meantime, short term for long term benefits.
Bungalow, oh gosh. I need this project.
I know. That's why you need to think about it. It will work. Think it through.
contract will be awarded next week. That's good.
That's a good one.
And the angels, they are desperate for it.
Believe me, they are really going to cry. Yes, but I told her this earlier. She wouldn't listen.
I also know she wants to play a love game with her chef. A swift one.
Wow, it's hot.
All right.
Now tell me, what's the latest?
I'll tell you, Mama. The latest is that Nina here, this bad girl, gave them huge amounts. And they have been running helter-skelter for it. Yeah, I know. From the look of things, man, they're going to sell their duplex and even take loan from the bank.
Oh my word, no, you did so good. Thank you. Nice.
Ooh la la.
They're going to sell their duplex. We'll buy it.
Mama?
That's it. Please relax. I need you to make an arrangement for that. We will buy it.
Okay, Mama.
But then, keep your head down. I know none of her friends will be able to raise such an amount of money for her. Therefore, we'll add more pressure and buy it, but undercover.
Yeah, more pressure.
We're getting a dupe.
We're getting a dupe. A dupe this time.
Talk to me. What is going on?
There was this lady who stepped in for the contract. I'm not sure who she is. I've never seen her before. But she was actually willing to pay anything and everything. She was willing to pay today or tomorrow. Point is, she was willing to pay sooner than later. And that would mean we will lose everything.
Lady Golden. Please tell me it's not her.
I don't know her.
Lady Golden?
The thing I don't understand is, how did she get easy link to the vice president's daughter?
I don't know. But this is serious business. If that woman should get that contract, Angela, it's a slap on our faces.
How did she step in? How?
I don't know, but I need to see Chief. He has to help me. I don't care what he thinks about me now. I need to see him.
Madam, don't you think it's time that you sell the house or loan it out?
Will you shut up? Sorry. Shut up your dirty mouth!
Sorry, madam.
Now go and get me water.
Pardon?
You heard me. I said go and get me water, you fool.
Sorry, madam.
Get out! Sell? Did he just say we sell idiots?
Chifo, you know you're so sweet.
Can't say that again.
Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all you do. Just anytime you need to answer you.
What is going on here?
Hello.
Wait. Ini. The dirty maid.
Excuse you.
Why are you here?
Ini. The dirty maid.
As you can see, Ini is not a dirty maid. Ini is sexy, classy, good looking. Not that dirty maid you know, Nicole of the Angels. That was all a lie.
So you're not what you told us?
Of course. I am not what I told you. You see, this life is a game. Play soft, hard. Anyhow you chose to play it. It's all a game. Chief darling, please don't forget that I saved you from untimely death and enchantment from this pathetic liar.
Chief, what is going on? What is going on?
I'm going to die. If you do, I'm going to kill you.
Nikki, or whatever you call yourself. Why did you come to my office? How dare you? How dare you? Yeah, get out.
Chief, this is a movie. This is a movie.
Shush. My love.
My baby girl.
Yes, my love.
Her name is Mila.
Oh.
AKA
Mimi.
What is Imi? Please, get out.
I said get out!
Shush. Oh, please don't say me. I'm not a mad dog. I'm not fighting.
I said get out.
Maybe let's lick him. Let's lick him.
Let's finish him now.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Chief, what is it?
I will not give you girls more than 1 million.
What?
You see, you girls are becoming so expensive. Things have changed. Unlike before. Anyway, this is not a contract. Don't you understand?
Chief, we need this money. We can't discuss this any further.
Anyway, let us settle this. Let us settle this once and for all. Okay, what is the matter?
Chief, we need a loan.
Loan?
Yes, Chief.
Loan? Like how much?
Chief, you see, like 500 million more.
What? 500 what?
Million. Chief, you're sweating.
I told you, angels, that we are not doing the contract now. Why such amount of money?
Come on, Chief. We need this money to do something. Okay, you know what? We're going to pay you back. Yes, we will. Okay, fine. We need you to be our guarantor. Use your loan from the bank.
No. I cannot go such a line. For what? Not even my wife.
Chief, we'll lick you more than your wife.
Chief, we'll finish you.
Yes, okay, I am not in the mood.
My love, what about the money?
Barbara, why is it that we cannot be together without you asking for money? Each time we are together, money this, money that. You don't even ask for little money, big one at that.
Come on. I deserve it. I'm a big girl, you know. I am. I want to buy a big house. When I say big house, a very big one. With the latest Benz. The latest one, SUV.
Barbara, I've asked you to marry me countless times. You refused. You don't want to marry me, but you keep asking for money all the time.
I'll marry you, I promise. I will marry you. But for now, let's just talk about this money. I need it, it is more important. Please. Please.
50 million, Barbara. 50 million.
It's just a chicken change. I know you have it. Just give me what I'm asking for. Please. Please, baby. please.
It's alright. Just spend the night in my hotel. Okay. By tomorrow, I'll give you a check of 50 million. Will you be okay with that?
Are you serious? Thank you, baby. Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Hi.
Oh, my favorite chef. How you doing?
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm perfect.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I just wanted to touch me. Okay? Ini is just an imposter. She's a liar and a demonic bitch.
What are you saying? What about her? I don't get it.
I mean, she's a bad bitch. I caught her with a man. Yes, but the man is actually my man. And they were both into each other, ravishing and doing everything.
Who? Ini?
Her name is not Ini. Her real name is Milan, aka Mimi. And I want to kill her right now. Like, I want to press her neck.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
For real? Ha.
I feel like dying. I feel like dying.
For real? No, no. I don't believe this.
Forget I said anything. Forget all.
We could only raise 400 million naira. I have sold virtually everything. Our land, the cars, except this house.
And today decides our fate. Girl, what's up?
Just for life, angels.
Girls, 50 million naira!
Woo! That is good.
Yes, good news.
What exactly is good there? What's good?
Check. Check now.
You see that thing where you hold for hand? A bounced check. Just come on mind from that one. Come on your mind from
What?
that. When I come on mind, no for
Business no finish, and they no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Conditioner, you must award the contract.
Damn you, bitch! Damn you! Damn you! Please have the right. Why you not go marry them? Why you not go marry them? Let me woman you do. Everyone marry more professor for your money. Shut it! Close it! You know them. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Let me hear what. I beg, shut up. Make I hear what. Because it's a trap. And they don't say for you they talk baby, they talk nonsense. You want marry? Go marry now. Your mates never marry finish. I'm not blaming you.
Wait. Hold on. Are you girls done ranting?
I think they're
No. Are you people done ranting? We're talking about serious issues at hand. And you girls are here exchanging and embarrassing yourselves. I mean, can you even see what's going on? We're talking about the business of the day and you girls are here embarrassing yourselves. We're talking about Lady Golden. She's at the verge of taking our contract away from us. Or do you people expect us to go begging her money?
Never. That old Abino, God forbid, it will not happen.
I suggest we sell this house. I got someone for the property. And he said he would purchase outright and not loan. And besides, the banks are not ready to give us the loan because they said the money is way too much.
Then sell it. Yes, it belongs to us, so we can... See, by the time we get that contract, we can buy a mansion. We can buy as many houses as we want to. Right? Besides, we're still going to buy that Chief's Jim's house and we buy it too. And also buy that bitch inside.
Listen, we are not doing Inyobong or Wechi's saga here.
Anyway, that girl is a snake. She's deadly, she's a snitch. And she was sent here on a deadly mission. I told you girls.
I'm not talking. I talking. Our juju strong. Now only go know she go do that kind you use take collect chief for your hand. The jazz not be here.
My dear.
Na village jazz. Confirm village juju.
Honestly. I will go do my own.
Hey! If you know what is good for you, don't try it.
Better.
If not, they go kill it away.
Okay.
See those girls? They no get conscience. No trial. Just nurse your pain jejely in peace.
Simple. Back to business. Sell house.
I will take the money to Mr. Speaker. I added 800 million naira from my cash, so he won't be able to resist the pressure.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
You're welcome. All the best. I will talk to you when I see him.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friend.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
Enter their eyes, yo. Fine boy, they are confused. Fine baba, whether na love or lost. Amalicha wake, Amalicha wake, they are confused. They are carried away, whether na love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried.
Oh my gosh! She just chatted me.
Deborah.
She says, congratulations, you have won the contract.
What you wish to have is Angela, I'm here with Mazam Gordy and Shifi Kemba.
What's going on? I really do not understand. Wait, you mean Golden is listening to my conversation right now?
The phone is on speaker.
Wait, Alhaji, what's she doing there? Alhaji, please talk to me. What is going on?
Oh, just shut up. Shut up, you little thing. Did I not tell you that you are going to sink? Of course, I told you that. And that is exactly what is happening to you right now. You are sinking already.
Lady Golden, you cannot sink me. Listen, I'm way, way bigger than you. I'm smarter
even all of you put together.
I see. That is why you went behind my back and signed the contract that is supposed to be for me. Right? You played a very fast one on me because you feel you are powerful and connected.
Alhaji, it is what it is. We all want money, power, fame, and connection. And that was exactly what I went for.
It's all right. I hope that you will enjoy your power and connection.
Alhaji, you betrayed me. Why did you allow that thing to come to your office?
Angela, just a little shock and you were panicking like a little lizard. Don't worry. The huge one will come and I promise you it will pierce into your bones, arteries and veins. Relax. Alhaji Bello here is my business associate right from the origin. But you little thing, you went behind my back and betrayed me. You took him away from me.
You know what? I'm coming to your office right away.
Rubbish.
Oh.
Fine chef enter their eyes, they are confused. Whether I love or lost. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy. Try, but if you could follow, guy man.
Up on my son, oh! My son Raymond is back, oh! Hey! Hey, mama!
Hey, my mother, I miss you.
I miss you.
Hey!
Mama. Is this? Yes. So this is you?
Yes, now.
Raymond don't want
your only son.
Hey! Raymond! So it's true.
How it's true.
It's true.
Oh, guys, cool down now. Cool down.
I heard Mama's voice. I decided to check on her.
Hey,
welcome.
Thank you.
Hey,
Mama.
Mama. Is that you?
It's me.
The one motor.
Mama, this is my car.
Hey, my son that went to sit his back.
Raymond, is this actually your car or is this car for a ride?
This is my car now. I bought is my car.
Wow.
And that's my driver.
Wow.
And they pay him, they work for me. And they pay him well.
Raymond, my God.
Yes, Mama.
You said this is your car?
Yes, now.
My son that went to the city's back, oh, people. Mama. Oh, whoa. Raymond.
It's okay. You know me, Raymond. I don't talk too much now. I show. As my face they show, now so my shoe they shine. I'm coming.
I believe you, my friend.
I said it.
I believe you.
I said it that you will make me proud. I said it that my Raymond will make me proud.
I don't talk.
I believe you.
Mama, see you. Your son has made too much money. First one, up in the air. Bam! Too much money. Too much money.
Look, I go to your house. Mama. Look, I leave my money for me. Go to your house. Mama, hey, look where they go. Oh. Hey,
Mama, it's okay. I've made money.
Hey. I can see.
Now.
I can see. Look,
Mama,
I go to your house.
Mama, I will buy you
everything. Because your son is back.
I will buy you all that you want.
Always you.
Where is that stupid
Look where they go.
You, Seth. Where is that bush meat trap? Where is the bush meat trap? I told you come with me to the city. Idiots. See now you take my money. Hi, Mama. I'll give you all my money. Go down now. Have more.
Look, I give my money. Go to the house.
Let me can't take
He's
it.
holding my money.
I have enough. I have enough.
Please, okay.
I have enough.
Look, go.
I have enough. Too much.
Hey!
Why is that my trap?
Don't give
Idiot.
Don't give this. I bring my money. Hey,
Oh, Mama.
see money.
See money! Oh! Are you saying you met Lady Golden in Alaji's office?
Yes, you heard me.
Guys,
Check your phones. Check your phones.
I do not understand what I'm seeing on my phone. The vice president's daughter just uploaded us on Instagram.
What?
Yes, I don't know what she's up to.
But why would she do that? That's not possible.
Are we not friends?
We're friends now. She can't do that.
Check your phones, I'm serious. Check your phones.
It's true. What is really going on?
I don't know. I really don't know. Honestly. What is she up to?
What's this one doing here? Where has she come from?
I don't know. What is going on here?
What the hell are you doing in my house?
Your house? Do you own a house? Oh, come on, shut up.
Yes, I sold it. But you have no right to mock me with that. Besides, you can't even barge in this property while I'm still living here.
Then get out!
Out! Yes, you heard me.
Get out from my own house. No, you get out!
All right, I'll make it clear to you. I bought this house. I bought the house. I bought everything in it. Sweetheart, I paid for it. You own nothing in this house. Just that I didn't want to buy you girls. I would have also paid, you know. But I don't need you.
What are you talking about? It's a lie. It's a lie!
Oh, really?
Yes, it's a lie!
All right then, let me make it clear to you. I knew everything from the very beginning. Your chef, your so-called chef, brought in someone who claimed to buy this property.
Oh my word.
Is it getting clearer now? All right, relax. Your chef is my loyal boy.
Hey! Oh my word. Oh my word.
Today, tomorrow, and forever.
Oh my word.
Oh, all right. Please pardon me. I need to call him now, if you don't mind.
It's a lie.
Oh, come on, relax, relax.
It's a lie. You're lying.
All right then. All right, chill. Hi, Ray. How are you, sweetheart? All right, hold on.
Hello, boss.
Sweetheart, I'm here now. Would you like to speak with your sexy mates?
Hi, Beatrice. Hope you all are enjoying the moment. You all thought you fooled me, but I enjoyed all of your asses.
Hey!
Oh my word! You are sweet though.
Oops.
So welcome to the new world.
All right, Raymond, enough. So, sweetheart, how about your mom and your plans?
Fine. The
arrangement is going well. We'll be traveling in 3 days' time to London.
Ray, listen, I'll have to call you. All right then. I still have an unfinished business. I'll call you much later. Take care. Shame on you all! Shame. I never brought you up like this. Shame on you. You allowed your chef to use you, and you! And you were there, calling him a fool, while you idiots are the foolish ones here. Here you are, laughing. All right, I guess it's time to laugh, because I'm ready. Are you ready to laugh with me now? 1, 2, 3, go. Let's laugh. Oh, you do not want to laugh again. So what are your cheeks waiting for? Shame on you! Hey. I knew it from the very beginning and I told you, but you wouldn't listen. You do not want to laugh again. Shame! Big shame on you.
Hey! Help me, that kind of house they go where we don't know. Hey, na streets we there. Hey.
Angela, this cannot be. This is not possible. Not after everything. This can't be. This can't be. This can't.
Shh. Relax, chick. But I told you all that I'm coming to take back everything from all of you. Here we go. You won't be able to pick any pin from this property. It's time for you to leave. Are you done talking? Alright, I understand how you all feel. It's alright. I'd like to tell you all a latest story. Very late. Alright, Raymond. You are going to act as their cook. I mean, professional chef. While Mimi, you were going there as their house help. Yes, girl, I'm sure you know what to do.
I know, mommy.
Nina, do you realize you look so much like the VP's daughter? Therefore, you'll be acting as a vice president's daughter. Shun, VP's daughter. While you, Tina, and Mimi, I hope I'm right? Yes. Both of you will monitor the girl's page. I mean, the vice president's daughter's page. You know, that's it. Deborah, the engineer.
I'm on it, ma'am. Well, apparently, she's at Houston, US. She's going to be there for like 3 months, and she's going to be engaged with work. So, the juicy part of it is that she is not a social media freak. Her name is Deborah Briggs.
Enlighten me. Please tell me more about her social media life.
Okay, for like 6 months now, she hasn't been on social media. And that is going to give me the edge to monitor her account from now. I'm going to know when she will be in or out, when she posts, and all that. So, if we get to forge her father's signature, the rest will be history.
Is she not interested in this particular contract?
So, Mimi, you are going to take charge of her page, all right? So you can monitor her and give us back everything about this girl. All right then, I have also planted an informant who will be communicating to us, you know, telling us what the vice president and the minister, you know, talks about all the time.
Well, ma'am, I have a device that can mimic anyone's voice. Yes, from there we can communicate with the minister.
I had no idea that you were such a tech whiz. You that good?
You haven't seen anything yet.
All right, so Tina, you are going to, act as Nina's personal assistant. What is it, girls? Come on, you're going to do it, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. So I'm going to assign security personnel who will be guiding you guys.
Well, with the letter that has her father's signature on the document, the contract will be ours.
Do not let the angels take shots of me.
Sure. By the way, baby girl, she detests such gesture. She doesn't like anyone taking pictures of her, except she's in a lighter mood. So, noted?
Noted.
Good.
Mimi, you are abnormal, honestly. So you just sit down and pry on people's businesses and listen to what they say.
I know.
You just...
It's not my fault. That's my job.
All right, guys. Please, let's get to work. Please, I really need each and every one of you to focus on this. I want us to achieve all this. All right? So good luck. So I wish you all good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you expect me to believe the trash you just said? Deborah, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be in Abuja. Besides, why did you unfollow us all on Instagram?
Oh, just shut up. Shut up and wake up to reality. These are my loyal girls.
Oh,
The beads. Believe me, they have sting. Each and every one of you. And you cannot do shit anymore. So chill.
Angela and friends, I am sorry, I am not the vice president's daughter. I mean, are you girls that daft? You could not recognize her? I am just her look-alike. My father is a farmer, but obviously not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Wait, I don't get it.
I don't understand. What about the contracts? What about everything that has to do with you and I? Oh, no. Are they all fake? What exactly are you talking about? My goodness. It was just a mirage. Hey! Angels of the island.
I said it. I knew there was something about you. But I was daft. Yes, she has brown eyes. But you have black and big eyes.
We played a smart one on you girls. Like seriously. Are you girls that daft? Like you're not wise enough to know there's an intruder amongst you. What are you talking about?
Hey!
You did.
If you try that, I'll blow off your brain.
You see this, your frog eyes? I knew it. What is he even saying? You just shut up, I'm not talking to you, to fake shit. Get from my side.
You call this fake? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, clown. This is actually pure gold, Italian. You can afford it and know you are poor right now. We call this Oh my word! Yeah, she's poor. Very frustrated. I understand.
Okay. Let the shock begin. Million. Come, darling. Come. Walk the walk.
Oh,
yes.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Baby girl.
Yes.
Walk the work.
Walk the work.
Walk the work.
Walk it.
Walk the work. Oh, yeah.
Betchy!
Bitch!
Huh?
That's not my name. My name is Mimi. Call me Billion. I know. I know.
God, we are finished. I knew it. God.
Holy shit. Holy shit!
So, you girls thought that I was your slave, that I was your maid. Really? Oh, poor souls. For your information, I did my job in a meticulous and wonderful way.
This old bastard was sleeping with my Chief Jimmy. My own Chief Jimmy. And disguised herself as a maid.
Oh, will you shut up, you clown? What were you thinking? That Chief Lord James will give you Lady Gold's mansion? Really? You're such a clown. I've always known that you are too desperate for this. I know, but let me shock you, idiot. My lady here, my pretty queen, Her Royal Majesty, the beauty of them all, the sweetest of them all. She has this mansion in her name. Chief Lord James gave her the mansion too. So, idiot, you lose. Let me also shock you, stupid. I told Chief Lord James that you are a witch.
I did that, so that.
I did. Yes, of course, you are a witch. A black one at that.
Enter their eyes, yo. Abagofanya. Fine boy, Abagofanya. They are confused. Fine baba. Whether I love or lost. Amalicha wake. Abagofanya. Amalicha wake, yo. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away. Because of fine boy, try. But if me go follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work, because money must come out, try. If me go follow yakata, we go chop am.
Have you washed the clothes that I brought out for you?
Hey, okay. Hey. Madam, no verse, eh? Now forget that thing. No verse, Biko.
Are you mad?
Are you mad? Madam, why you go slap me now? What did I do you? Clothes that I gave you to wash since morning is now you're telling me you forgot. At what time? Are you mad?
Madam, is that why you have to remove my eardrum? Eh? Oh, if you not slap me now.
Now listen, eh? You will go now and wash everything in that basket. I mean everything. Are you hearing me?
Everything?
Yes!
Madam, make I wash everything. You know the things wey dey inside that basket. Things them. Even your pants too.
What did you just say?
Sorry, ure pants means a good pants. Designer.
Better for you. Because you cannot even afford one of my undies.
I know.
You this retarded maid. Now, I give you 10 minutes to go and finish those washing. As in everything inside, plus that undies, that golden undies. Make sure say you wash them. Yes, whatever it is called in your village. Make sure you wash it. 10 minutes, I'll be back.
I'll wash the pants, really, don't worry.
Nonsense.
Mimi, this work hard though. Mimi, you have suffered. This your job is very difficult. Why did I choose this difficult one?
My dear angels of the lowland. Fallen angels! My dear fallen angels. I took the slap. I took all the insults to see this day end like this.
All of you will rot in jail!
Hey,
yes.
Oh no, that won't happen. You know why? Maybe you've forgotten, but let me remind you, you duped me. You scammed me. You forged a signature just for you to acquire this property and cash. You were so desperate to get to the top, but even at that I called the police on you. Oh no, I never did. I never did. The very contract that made you mess your life up has returned to me. My friends, very good ones that you took away from me, they finally returned at my mercy. Did I not tell you that someday you will fall, you and your girls, and you would crumble? That's exactly what is happening now.
You will die. All of you will die.
Don't try anything funny.
Now hold this. One more word from you. I will teach you a lesson you will not forget in a hurry. I'm the one that brought you up. You will die. She will die. You will die. I will die. They will die someday. Death is not a threat. Hey, do not wave your stupid hands. Let me tell you one thing. The very day you will die, you will die a shameful death. Now I hope you all have learned your lessons. Never to bite the finger that once fed you. Not to be desperate. You really want to climb to the top when you're not there by all means. No, it's wrong. It's a gradual process.
Right on, Mama.
It is an advice to each and every one of you. Now, I'm going to give you just 60 seconds to leave my premises. Move it!
The time starts now.
Go back.
Move it!
Move it.
Move it!
Move it! All of you. Come here.
Out.
Move it.
Move it!
Move it.
Move it!
Out.
Move it!
Move it.
Hey!
Business no finish. They no go rest at all. Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract. And just, baby, oh. Angels for life, oh angels for life, oh angels for life, oh angels for life. They are angels, baby, baby, oh. They get the connection. Oh, angels for life. Fine chef enter love or lost. I'm only they are confused, they are carried away, whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking, they are carried away because of fine boys. But if we go follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work, because money must come out. If we go follow Yakata, we go chop a more. If we go follow Yakata, we go chop a more.